Hello friends, welcome my kitchen. Today I am showing a new video. It's a snacks recipe. This is the unique snacks recipe and very tasty and very delicious and very quick way snacks recipe. So now let's start, and if you like this my video, then please give my subscribe, like, share and comment. This is the first step, and here I take a few breads and now cut halfwise. This is the proper cutting of the bread, and so now let's go to the next step. This is the next step. Here I added 2 egg. And now added 1 teaspoon mixed herbs. Then after added 1 teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Then after added 1 teaspoon chopped coriander leaves. And now added salt to taste and beaten well properly. Beaten has done, and now let's go to the next step. And this is the next step, and here I add egg beaten, and now add the breadcrumbs, and now add the breads into the egg beaten, and now properly dip into the egg. And then now after add the breadcrumbs. This is the proper way. And now do the next bread in the same process. See the friends, and now all process has done, and now let's go to the next step. This is the next step. Here I added 1 tablespoon refined oil, and now add the bread for fry. See the friends, fry has done, and this is the golden color, and now fry the bread one by one. See the friends, all bread fry has done, and now the crispy sound as the most crispy. And now add the mayonnaise. And now add the tomato sauce. And now add one bread. This is the perfect snacks, and these snacks are ready for serve. See the friends, these snacks are ready for serve, and if you like this my video, then please give subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you so much.